want to say a few words about this matter.
Yes.
I am a woman's rights. I have as much muscle as any man. And I can work as much as any man. I have husked and plowed and reaped and chopped and mowed. And can any man do more than that? I have heard much about the sexes being equal. Oh, I can carry as much as any man, and I can eat as much too, if I can get it. I'm as strong as any man that is now. As for intellect, all I can say is, if women have a pint and men a quart, why not let women have a pint full? Men not be afraid to give women her rights, for fear we will take too much, for we can't take more than our pint to hold. Man is all in confusion and don't know what to do. Well, give the women their rights, and you will feel better. Man will have his rights, and the women won't be so much trouble. I can't read, but I can hear, and I have heard the Bible. And I have learned that Eve caused man to sin. Well, if women turned the world upside down, do give her a chance to turn it right side up again. The lady has spoken about Jesus and how he never spurned women from him. She was right. Mary and Martha, when their brother Lazarus died, they came to Jesus and they besought him to raise their brother with love and faith. And Jesus, he wept. And Lazarus came forth. And how came Jesus? Through God, who created him, and woman, who bore him. Man, where's your part? But women are coming up, praise be God. And a few of the men are coming up with them, yeah. But Man is in a tight place. The poor slave is on him, and the women are coming upon him. And man is between a hook and a buzzard.
Sojourner Truth, ladies and gentlemen.